Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter reset options. And as you can see, two of those options, which are at the top, are connected with the network. So we've got mobile network settings and other at Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so they are divided. Let me show you how to reset all of them. So simply start with this one, mobile network settings, and tap on reset settings. We will have to confirm it with the pattern. Tap on reset settings again. Be aware that you cannot undo this action, and here we've got the information that we just successfully reset all of them. Now we can go back and reset also Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it and tap on reset. And as you can see again, we just successfully reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.